Mga Katimbo Vlogs, welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. But before that, time check muna tayo. So today is May 8, 2024, 7:25 in the morning. Okay. At ito ang bus number na gagamitan nga, si 5715 with registration plate number NQY 779, which will expire on August 9, 2024. So come on, let's put out the signs. Okay, check na natin yung gulong lang, because ito lang naman ang importante. Yung mga old damage, mga tama niya is okay na dyan. Yan, damage, it's also a damage, okay. So all good. Right, very quiet. This is the backside. And all good. All damages. Adjusters are all good. All good. Okay. Itong sa harap. So all good. Oh! I forgot mga Katimbo Vlogs, yung school sign. Ay, talagang tumatanda na tayo mga Katimbo Vlogs. Buti na lang. So all good na tayo ngayon. So until next video bus vlog, paalam!